Morning School. Today also I come up with one program. Just I'm going to read the content. Just try to understand the question first of all. Okay. Here Tom and Jerry have become enemies because of some misunderstandings and are interfering with in each other's work. Okay. They are interfering with each other's work. Tom has assigned a construction project of n units. Okay, n units of work, which is important for the firm. Okay, Jerry go to know about it and took an oath to make it hard for the Tom to complete the project. Okay, is Tom is doing some n units of work and Jerry is going to be make it hard to complete for the Tom. Okay, Tom can do c units of work in a daytime, so Jerry decided to destroy d units of work in the night time. Okay, that means a total units, the total n units has to be complete by Tom, and for every day he has to complete c units of work in the daytime. He's not going to be work in the night time, he's going to be work in the daytime only. And then Jerry is coming in the night time and he's going to be destroy d units of work in the night time. Okay, Mr. Fred got this information and needs something to figure out for the number of days Tom will take to complete the project of n units in the given scenario. We have to calculate it. What we have to calculate here? We have to count the number of days is going to be complete n units of work by the Tom. Okay, we have to calculate number of days to complete n units of task, like this. Okay, and the what is the input format? Note, Tom will always able to complete the project, okay. And the first line of the input consisting of number of test cases t, in the next t lines consisting of 3 space separated integers, that is c, d, n. Okay, any variables, no problem for that. The constraints, it is going to be like this. For each test case we have to print the number of days Tom will take to complete the project in a separate line. Okay, just observe here, this is the sample input and sample output here, and I'm going to write here what is the sample input. 6, 2 and 10. 6 to 10 means 6 is going to be completed and c units of work done by Tom in day 1 in the daytime, and 2 is going to be 2 units of work will be destroyed by the Jerry, and 10 is total units of work. Okay, and in the day 1 Tom is going to be completed 6 units of work in the daytime. Yes, the 6 is not equal to 10, right? That's why it is not completed in day 1. And then Jerry is coming at night and destroy 2 units, and in day 1 total work is only 4 units of work is going to be finished. Okay, and coming to day 2, 6 plus 4, right? 4 is already done, and now Tom is going to be complete 6 units and total 10 units of work is done, and that means it is equal to the total units work done, right? That's why it is going to be completed in a day 2. That's why the output is going to be 2 for this. 4, 3, 2. For example, for the second input 4, 3, 10. The day 1 Tom is completed 4 units of work, and 4 is not equal to the not equal to the 10. That's why Jerry is going to be finished destroy the work with the 3 units, and it is going to be 1. And then in the day 2 2 plus 4, 1 plus 4, that is going to be 5 units work is done, but 5 is not equal to 10. Then in the night time Jerry is coming and Jerry is going to be destroyed 3 units of work, then it is going to be 2 here. The day 3 2 plus 4, that is going to be 6 units of work is done. 6 is not equal to the 10, that's why minus 3, then it becomes 3 units of work is only done the day 3. Coming to the day 4, 3 plus 4, that is going to be 7 units of work is done. 7 is not equal to 10. That's why 7 minus 3, that is going to be only 4 units of work is done. And then 4 plus 4, that is going to be 8 units work is done. But in the night time, it is going to be destroyed by 3 units. And coming to the day 6, 5 plus 4, that is going to be 9 units work is done, but 9 is not equal to the 10. That's why 3 units is going to be destroyed. The day 7, 6 plus 4, that is going to be 10 units work is done. 10 is equal to the 10. Then I am going to stop here. How many days it is going to be take? It is going to be take 7 days to complete the work. That's why the output is going to be 2 and 7. Okay. Now I am going to write the code here. Yes, I am going to change to the Python 3.7.1. I want to read the test cases first of all. First of all, I have to read the test cases, right? That's why I'm going to take T here. T is equal to int of input of. And then for every test case, I have to read 3 values, right? For that, I'm going to write a for loop for the test cases for underscore in range of T. What is the underscore? Just the loop is repeated for number of test cases times. There is no need to take any variable. That's why I'm going to take for underscore only. Okay. Now I'm going to read 3 values. M, N, O is equal to M means Tom. What is the Tom is going to be done? N is going to be destroyed by the Jerry, and O is the output. Number of units work has to be done. This is a single line input, right? That's why I'm going to write here map of int comma input of dot split off. Okay. And I'm going to take one variable that is going to be D. What is the D here? D is going to be calculating the number of days I'm going to take. That is the output here. Okay. Before that, I'm going to write one more variable, that is S is equal to M. What is S means? I'm going to maintain that what is the count here, how many units of work I completed. I'm going to maintain in S here. Okay. And I'm going to write if S is greater than equal to the output. Here, just observe here, if S is greater than equal to the output, I'm going to print the D here. I'm not doing D is equal to 0. I'm going to take initially D is equal to 1. Why? Because day 1, right? That's why I'm going to take D here, and I'm going to stop here. If it is S is not is greater than equal to O, just simply I'm going to add S is equal to S plus M minus N. That means here I'm going to write S plus, what is M? M means 4 minus 3. I'm going to subtract the values. Every time I'm going to increment the day count. D plus is equal to 1. That's it, nothing else. Just simply I'm going to compile and run. Yes, it's working on the sample input. Now I'm going to click on submit code. Yes, it is going to be working on all test cases like this. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any doubt on the code, just comment it. Definitely I will reply to you. Thank you guys.